Existentialism. It is a philosophical concept of education wherein it promotes individual choice, personal freedom, and students take responsibility for their own learning.
I am an existentialist teacher. Of course, laging nagpipray ang student before mag-start ang class. I am an existentialist teacher. Of course, laging student ang nasusunod sa pagpili ng assigned group member.
Pwede po kami na lang magpili ng group members.
Alright, lagi naman kayo nasusunod. I am an existentialist teacher. Of course, katabi ng pangalan ko ang word na consider. I am an existentialist teacher. Of course, we promote personal freedom, individual responsibility, and values reasoning of the students.